First, let's count the screw packs. There are 11 screw packs in total. Then, first, find this block. On this block, it says IRURI and LIHL. Which we have already placed on the car. L1 is the first on the driver's side. Then L2 is the second one. L3 is the last one. Then follow this order. This one is in front. This is the fourth one. The fourth one also has a mark on it. It's placed like this on top. And this is the back one. Then, in terms of front and back, the longer distance is the front. And the shorter one is behind. Then directly put the seat under. Use this rubber band. Cut the rubber band around it first. And cut it out first. Then pat it under each one. When we install it first, we can remove this first, which will be more convenient. Then, the installation method is like this. First, find these two keys. Just like this. The groove is facing down. The screw we use here is this M6x8, the shorter one. We have installed this side now. Now we can install the other side. You cannot tighten it, and then tighten them together at the end. Then we find this arc-shaped part. There are two kinds of arc components, the one with the hole. Then find this part again. Then take the screws. The screw bag contains 4M for screws and 10M5 screws. First, install this flat-headed screw. When installing, pay attention to the two parts should be mirror images. One is like this, and the other one is in a palm relationship with it. These two must be mirror images. Not like this. It must be like this. Mirror image. First, install this one. It will be more convenient. Then we take out the spoiler and use the word as a reference. The newly installed part. 2 grooves inward. 2 grooves inward. Another thing is that it's a diagonal upward relationship. You can better distinguish it like this. It's a diagonal upward relationship. After installation, the ring will be higher than the plane. You can see that. And then, it's still the same screw bag. There are 4M4x16 screws inside. Then directly put this hoop and put the other side on the ring. On the ring or on the round tube. Don't tighten it yet, and lock them together after installation. Then, we will put the guide plate and the connecting piece we just installed together. Let me say the direction of the connecting piece again. The protruding part should be facing down. Don't install it backwards. This is the entire rectification plate installed. Now we can start assembling the car. When installing the middle part, there is a detail, the direction of the words facing towards us. The front is this. The long side is facing forward, which is the empty part. The long one is forward, and the short one is backward. We also provide waterproof glue. Before installing it, we need to put the rubber strip. After we finish, we need to apply waterproof glue here to prevent rain leakage when it rains. The screws used to install this are in the packaging bag. The longest one, M8x35 white screw. After installing the 3 bases here, we can install the 4th base. This is the 4th base. It's in the L4 direction. When installing this, you must install it correctly, which must be aligned with it. When installing it, you can be careful. Be careful. Okay, now the L4 and R4 are installed. Installed on the car. Now we can lift the luggage rack onto the car directly. These screws need to be tightened. These big screws need to be tightened. There is a detail when installing this. The hole must be aligned with the one below. Now, you can see the screws below. Now, after we lift the luggage rack up, and then you can see all of them just fall into the grooves and this limit. Another thing is that there is a screw hole. This screw hole must be facing up. Everyone can check it later. If it goes down, it will be difficult to tighten. Now let's start installing the screw at the back. The screw we use is M8x12. This black cup head screw. There are 2 more on the back. Then install the front and rear screws in turn. Then we install the handle first. For the handle, needs to be connected to the clamp in advance. Otherwise, after installing the car, the screws below cannot be screwed in. The screw we use is also M6x8. The shorter M6 screws. Install them in advance. Take this character as a reference. This is the direction. Then we take out the packaging bag, the M5x16. White screw inside. M5x16. Then screw the armrest on. You can tighten the armrest. You can tighten one side first, because it may be a little bit. The reason for prying. Tighten it just to fit this. Don't tighten it after fitting. After all the inspections, there is a baffle on the back. The baffle, it uses an M6x8 guide screw. Then fasten both sides. And finally, we can tighten all the screws uniformly. The entire luggage rack is installed. And for this precision screw, there is an installation detail. You need to check if it's flat. Just look at it from the side like this to see if it's flat. If the whole luggage rack is parallel, you can tighten the precision screws. First, tighten the two screws below. The two secret screws below. And then tighten the upper precision screws. This is the most correct method. Then to add, this clamp is used with an M for screw. The only M for screw. After tightening this clamp, tighten it from front to back in turn. And that's it.